How to fix Android Notes app not showing on Android. If there is no any Android Notes application on your Android home screen, then here are the steps that you need to follow in order to fix this issue on your device. Simply open Settings on your Android phone. Now you need to scroll down. Open Apps, tap App Management, search for Notes. You will see two notes. The main notes you need to tap is Notes, which is the Android Notes application. Scroll down and you need to tap on Force Stop. Now tap on Force Stop again. Once done, tap on the Clear Cache button. If you don't find that, tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Once done, you need to select permissions and make sure to allow all the application permissions for Notes. So if it is not allowed, then open it and tap Allow only while using the app. Do the same for notifications as well here and allow all the notification for Notes. Once you have followed all the steps, lastly, you need to restart your device. For that, you need to hold on your power button and then tap on the slider and slide towards upward to restart your device. Once you have done that, your Android Notes application not showing on Android will be easily fixed, and then you can easily open it and easily add notes on your device. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.